Ball. No, I think you'll be all right. I forgot you got lights all over.
I'm worried about this. Look at that.
I don't have any lights. I know. It's gonna blind you.
I don't know. Maybe I'll get another.
Dude, I'm impressed with it.
Do the lights the right way.
I'm gonna fly like a madman on this flight.
That's fine. I wouldn't have the speed to keep up, but I'll have the torque to go up.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a long rollout and then go up.
Cleared.
All right, going up.
Gear up.
I'm going downwind. Going up.
Alright, I'm coming down here.
Go ahead. I'll do the same thing. We'll do the downwind pattern. I'm okay with that. Woo! Right in front of my camera, even better. You, yeah, I'm awake.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
That wasn't quite in the camera, but still. Doing another one.
I'm gonna stay high on this one.
I'm going downwind.
Alright, I'm gonna stay high.
Okay.
I'm gonna do downwind.
Okay. I'm doing a big loop, so I'll stay out of your way, though. I felt the wind.
Oh, from the back?
Yeah.
I'm gonna join up with you.
Okay, you want to do a pass that way? I'll stay. I'm
Time remaining 1 minute.
low throttle right now. I won't turn until you can catch up. Where are you? You there? Okay. I'm not. I'm gliding right now.
Nice. Oh yeah. I'm gonna turn to regular.
Go ahead.
pattern. Yeah,
I'm gonna do one more downwind pass once you're done. Okay, I'm diving down. Fast pass.
30 seconds.
Okay, I'm gonna do a gear pass and
Gear down.
coming in.
10, 9, 8, 7. Landing flap. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Oh my God! Holy Jesus! Okay, I'm sold. That's it. That's it. Oh Lord Jesus! Oh, I have flaps now, and as soon as it's coming into land, it just stops.
Flaps up.
Holy shite balls! I'm a very happy man. Right over the runway. Sweet. Oh Lord Jesus! That's it. I mean, when you can hold high alpha and it doesn't do anything but just do what you want. Oh my God. That's impressive. Oops. That was impressive. Look out for the FPV. Ah. That's it for this plane.